Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with friends who love crochet. Today's video is all about festive crochet projects. We are sharing only the most beautiful and trendy designs and patterns that are perfect for any celebration. Let's start with crochet wall hangings and Buntings. These are perfect for the decorating your home during Eid, Diwali, Christmas, or even birthdays. You will see patterns with stars, flowers, and tassels in bright festive colors. They are light, handmade, and give a cozy, cheerful touch to any wall or door. Next up are crochet table mats and coasters. Yes, these small items bring big festive vibes. We are showing you elegant round square and mandala style patterns. Use golden, red, green, or white stones for their festive look. They look beautiful under candles, trays, or centerpiece during events. Now let's look at crochet gift bags and pouches, perfect for packing small presents, sweets, or jewelry. Perfect for packing small presents, sweets, or jewelry. The designs include drawstring bags, mini totes, and in web style pouches, all handmade, and little bows or buttons to make them even more special. They are reusable and eco friendly too. Moving to the festive wearables, cute headbands, earrings, and even brooches made with crochet. You will see floral designs, star shapes, and sparkling accents like match the festive mood. Quick to make, light to wear, and they add a creative touch to your outfit. Perfect for girls and women of all ages. So these were some of beautiful and easy festive crochet project ideas you can try this season. Let us know in the comments which one do you like the most. If you want step-by-step tutorials for any pattern shows today, tell us. We will make it for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more inspiring crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Happy crochet and happy celebration.